Hey guys, I'm Lewis. I'm playing with a Hivemind for you today on Temple. Yes, on Wednesday we played Flood. Last weekend we played Flood. And you know what? Today I'm not going to muck around because people have been bugging me for centuries. Well, it feels like centuries. People have been bugging me for ages that I need to stop mucking around, well, at the end of the game. So I'm not going to muck around at the end of the game, which I think is only fair. It's going to be great fun. Hey, bye. I think I didn't kill anyone, but I think I can. There we go. One guy down. Lovely. That's a flood kill for us. Right, so yeah, basically, I played Hivemind quite a while, and I think it's only fair that we finally get around to playing this game and not muck around in it. So apparently I need to win a game, and that's what we're going to do. I need more ammo first. Let's kill this guy. Bye, babe. Oh, really? How did I not kill him? Well, who cares? Whoa! Oh, no, it's fine. There's a guy somewhere. Can I kill him? Maybe not. So it's going to be great fun. I'm really looking forward to Flood. I haven't played Hivemind in such a long time. Because last time I played Hivemind, I think we all remember, I was behind a helicopter. And, oh, Mum's cooking meat! When I say meat, she's cooking corn. So technically not meat, it's other things that are meaty, but not as meaty as other meaty things. Which is great fun. Right, what we can do is walk over here. Be quiet. Because Floods are imbeciles. Yeah. I'm going to be the last man standing. Yes, I am. Maybe I won't be. Ah! No! No! Where did you come from? Ah, you son of a gun! Oh my goodness me! What a cheeky person! Yes, you are the last man standing, dude. Because I hate you. No! Yeah! How do you feel? That's what Lewis does to people that I don't... Oh, look, I'm first. Hey! And why am I first? Because I'm drawing with the strong shielded person. That's always fun. Yeah, so basically, last time, I don't know what happened. Life happened. People hated me. I got a lot of people hate. It's cool. But yeah, I'm not going to muck around this time around. I'm actually going to win this game. Or attempt to win this game. Shall I follow everyone just see what they're doing? Yeah, let's follow people. Let's do some stuff that other people don't really do. Alright, let's find some floods. Let's find some floods, which isn't going to kill me. Keep running, keep running. Need a shotgun. If I get the shotgun, life will love me. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. No, 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 no. Aha! Yeah! Lewis has the shotgun. Oh, 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 Lewis has the shotgun. I have the shotgun, you know what I mean. Do, 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 do. I have the shotgun, yeah, I'm gonna kill you today. With the shotgun, I'm going to name Maureen. Maureen is a very, very, very shiny shotgun. I'm going to die. Oh, no, I'm not. I lied. Maureen is a... Where the hell did he put that? Oh, dear. Hey, goose. Yeah, you walk away, dude. You walk away. Really, mate? Really? Yeah, you kill him. Oh, no! I had a shotgun and he killed me! Ah! You know what? Why did all the flood come and kill me? I could have... You know what? I could be doing really well. I could be. That's a big could. I really, I could be, but I'm really not late. Whoa, where did I come from? I don't know, but I'm not dead. Okay, I am dead. That's cool. Lord of Souls, the soul of lords, the actual soul of lords killed me. The Lord of himself killed Lewis. No. Hey, he's dead. I got no kills that round. That's embarrassing. That's really embarrassing. I came last. I came 8th. No, I'm not last. I'm 7th. I like 7th. 7th is fun and exhilarating. Right, let's see what we can do now. I'm ready for this. I am not ready for this at all. Okay, here we go, guys. I'm a flood. Let's kill some humans. I know what we're doing. Hiding. Maureen is a very, 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 very shiny shotgun, if you know what I mean. Oh, baby cakes! You're gonna die, baby cakes! Oh, you're gonna die, baby cakes! Oh, it's a shame, isn't it? Oh, you're dead! Yes, double kill as a flood! You know what? I am going to infect everybody. Everybody's going to become infected today, because I am the mean machine of things. And when I say things, I mean the mean machine of other normal things. Where is everyone? Does anyone see anyone? I don't know. Is anyone actually here? If they are, I don't know when they got here or what. Can I just chill? Oh, no, we're going up here. Good, okay. Good idea. I like that. That's a superb idea, my friend. No, get. Hey, babe. Hey, dude. No. Dude, really, you knocked me off. Right, you're meant to be work teaming. Teamworking, I mean. Nah. Okay, I'll crouch it behind you all. We got a deal? Got a brilliant deal. Oh, hello. You're still alive. Oh, one of you's not. One of you's not. No. Yeah. Yeah! That's how I kill people. I am a winning. Where did winning come from? That was Charlie Sheen, wasn't it? Ah, what a strange young boy. It's Charlie Sheen. Nah! Whoa! Whoa! You cheeky Lord of Souls, as you be the cheeky one today. Cheeky? It's a Sunday. Oh, no, need to get up, Nah, there we go. Okay, oh, hello, what are you? Oh, yeah! Lord of Souls, you are now dead. You will be my friend if I become yours. Check if anyone's up there. No one? Love it. No, we go. Yeah. Oh, you're gonna die! Oh, maybe not, okay. Whoa! Since when is the sword that powerful? Hey? Has it always been that powerful? Maybe the other guy wasn't being. Oh, look, someone's alive. Oh, he's hiding in a terrible place to hide. You wait for this. He is so dead. He is so gonna die. You wait for this. There. Oh no, not pistoling! Come on, guys. Come on, Flood. Up you go. Nah. Yep. Didn't expect that to happen, did you? No, you didn't. No. I am amazing at killing people as the Flood. Thank you, guys. My name has been Lewis. You've been my lovely audience. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Remember to like for it down below anyway if you have. And I will see you very soon for tomorrow's episode. I'll be playing a bit of swap for you on some random map. Don't know where I'm playing yet. But I'm loving life. It's great fun, guys. I'll see you soon. Take care, best. Have a lovely, lovely day. And bye-bye. Ba 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 ba.